Let's get it. 100 on this, 100 on whip, 100 on that, 100 on.
So I decided to go and purchase these new Makeup Revolution concealers, and I got the shade C7. I'm gonna swatch all of them for you so you can see the shades. I got C18, I got C1, and I got C13. So C1 and C18, I actually bought those shades for like clients, so if I got to do someone's makeup, because C18 is really dark, so that's not going to be my contour shade. My contour shade's actually C13, this one, and this is C18. So this is going to be for darker skinned girls. C1 right here. Swatching it. So that's C1. This is C7. So this is my highlight shade. This is C7. See that? Don't know if you see. My light is really strong. But C7's got more of a like peachy undertone. So it's much darker than C1. C13, which is my contour shade. You guys can't even, that's blending in with my hands in it. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you see it? And C18, which is the darkest shade. So C18 is the darkest shade in the whole like range. See, this is the darkest shade. So that's really a big jump from C13. You can see like C13 is almost like as close to my skin tone, while C1's very light anyway. So I think that would be better for white girls and mixed race girls. C7 is going to be my shade now. So do you know what? Let's get into this. So I'm using C7 to highlight my face. These concealers are really nice, you know. They kind of remind me of LA Girl concealers. Like really smooth. Ooh. I really like the shade as well. I think it's similar to my, what's it called? My NARS concealer in the shade Biscuit. Yeah, this is quite similar. This Fenty Beauty foundation, I just feel like it's so dark. The way it just oxidizes. I don't know, 378 my shade. Like, if you lot watch my Fenty Beauty review, you would have saw like it looks proper light when I first tried it, and I just feel like it's dark. It's annoying. I ain't got time for that. Like, on a real note. So I'm gonna try C13 first to contour, and then I'm gonna see how that works. So, ooh, I like the shade. Similar to my Ruby Kisses one. Yep. I'm liking these concealers so far. Actually not bad. Like, I'm proud of Makeup Revolution. Like, who would have ever thought they'd come out with concealers like this? Like, everyone looks down on them as well. Everyone's just like, oh, Makeup Revolution, not that deep, but they're actually doing their thing. And I know they got their foundations out as well, and I might need to cop that. So I'm gonna blend this concealer out. My camera might die, so yeah. But we're gonna blend this out and see how this is. I'm starting with the highlight shade. Realistically, I should start with the contour in it, but you know. I normally don't ever, you know, well, actually I have done it sometimes, but I don't normally put my contour, do my contour whilst well, I don't know how to say it, but you know when people like put the highlight all around their face and then they put the contour as well, they start blending everything out. I don't do that. I just do the highlight first, blend it out, then I get the contour and go in with that. Bare confusing myself, what the fuck. This concealer's calm, you know, but I feel like I've got to work fast with it. It kind of dries because I've left it for a bit long, but it's giving me a nice highlight so far. Top down, windows tinted. Out now. Now I'm more icy. Now the pros trying to bite me. Whoa, and my fists are too pricey. I'm just remembering I didn't even dampen my sponge, my beauty blender. Oh my gosh, what a chiz, bro. How can I not dampen my beauty blender? And it's still blending out alright, you know. Actually mad. Look at my forehead. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's really go in. I'm gonna take my other beauty blender that I just used for random shit, and I'm just gonna really blend in that contour. Because right now, I'm looking like a ghost. So I need to bring some colour back into my skin. Really blending that contour in. Guys, I think I'm gonna go blend the rest off camera. I'm gonna be back because I just don't see the point of me doing all this. And then when I come back, we're gonna be discussing the Amrezy highlighter, and we're gonna further continue the discussion about these concealers, because so far I'm really loving them. So I'm gonna be back, okay? I'm gonna be back. So I've blended in my concealer and I've done the rest of my face. I must say the concealers are really nice. I really like them. Like, I didn't even have to dampen my beauty blender and it was blending in very well. So we're just gonna move on to the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, the Amrezy one. I've been seeing this all over YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, everywhere. I've literally been seeing it everywhere. So I thought I might as well just go cop one in it. Like, I love highlight anyways, so might as well. I hope it's not overrated. But anyways, this is the packaging. The packaging is really nice. Yep, and then this is the actual. I don't know if you can see it, but it just says Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy. Ooh, I have to put it far away, but the glow is really cute and it's got like a pattern. So we're gonna try this out. Putting some on my fan brush. It's got a mirror as well, very handy. Smiling, put it on top of my cheekbone. I don't really know if I like this highlighter, you know, but let me see. Oh, okay, actually, I'm starting to like it a bit more. I don't know, what do you guys think? Like, it's not giving me like, woof, like, it's not like giving me, oh my gosh, I'm glowing vibes, but it's alright. I feel like it's more of a subtle highlight. It's more of a subtle highlight. I like the glow, but it's very similar to the Laura Geller highlighter, Gilded Honey. I mean, I like it, I guess. It's nice. I feel like I have to put layers and layers. You know me, guys. I love my highlighter when it's like beaming and glowing. And I don't really get that vibes from this. But it is a calm highlighter. For them girls who like subtle, you know, subtle highlighters, this will be great for you. Because it's actually very subtle, I think. I mean, you can see the glow, but we've got some more. This is the type of highlighter you have to like build up. You'd have to build up this highlighter. You'd have to, because you know, I'm going to start with the concealers first to just wrap this video up. So the concealers, I really recommend the concealers. Like, they're really nice and smooth on the skin. They're very blendable. They don't dry. Okay, it was kind of dry actually. It did get a bit dry, so you got to work fast with it. But even at that, I didn't even what's it called, wet my beauty blender. So my beauty blender wasn't even damp. So maybe that's why it was a bit hard to blend in at first. But I'm pretty sure when you dampen your beauty blender, which is what I did actually, when I came off camera, I dampened my beauty blender and I blended it in, and it blended in very nicely. I really like the colours, the undertones, and on top of that there's a range of different colours for everyone. I only got 4 colours out of the whole lot, but literally there's 18 shades, so they really did go in. They really did try to cater to all different types of skin tones, so that is great. So all my dark skin girls, there's concealers for you. You know, they leave out black girls in general, even black girls in general. Like, they don't make enough shades for black girls and it's annoying. We need more shades, so they really did try. So I'm gonna give them that one. They tried. 18 shades. And the dark one, the darkest one is very dark. Like, I didn't use it to contour today. I used the C13 to contour, and I set it with my Giant Sun-Kissed bronzer in shade medium as always. But yeah, the concealers are really nice. This Amrezy highlighter, like, I feel like it's just overhyped. No, like, I spent £28 on this shit. Like, no, I like it. Like, I'd wear it, I'd use it like all soft, like, just, do you get what I mean? It's not giving me that Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder vibes. It's not giving me that. It's just giving me something soft, like, oh, just a bit of highlighter, you know? Something like that. But do you know what? The packaging is really nice. Like, it's really pretty. And on top of that, I just love the texture of the highlight. It's proper smooth. So the highlighters, I'm a bit 50-50 with it. I'm a bit 50-50 with the highlighters. For the girls who like, you know, soft highlighters, who don't like when the highlight's too much and they don't want to glow too much, they just want to be soft and subtle but still look like they've got a bit of glow on their skin, then I would recommend this. If you're the type of girl, if you're like me and you like really popping highlights, you want it to gleam, you want to be seen from 200 meters away, like, I don't know if I would recommend it to you. I mean, I guess it's buildable if you keep putting more and more on, but it's more like a powdered like highlight. It hasn't really got like proper like shimmer to it. You know them like Fenty Beauty's glittery, do you get what I mean? You could proper see the glow trying to come through. Like, it don't really have any glitters. It's proper just smooth, and it's more of a powder highlight, you know, just starting to put on your cheeks. But it is nice though. Like, I am glowing, I can't actually lie. I am glowing. Maybe I'm being a bit extra. Sorry, Amrezy. And I do love Amrezy as well. I love her, she's lit. So, but I do think it's overhyped. I can't lie. You know, YouTubers be overhyping this shit, yeah? They are the ones who are fucking draining my money. They made me spend money on these concealers. I don't regret it though, these concealers are popping. And then this highlight, I thought, oh yeah, everyone's getting Amrezy highlight. Ooh, everyone's doing reviews. Let me do one too. And yeah, like, I'm 50-50. 1 minute I love it, and 1 minute I feel like it could be better. I think that's what I just expected more from her, because I know she lost the glow as well, so it's like I expected more from the highlighter. I think I put it how to explain this, had high expectations for it. You know, you got high expectations for something and it just flops. It's like, where do I go from here? What do I do now? So I think that's what it is with this one. But that's it, yeah. That's that. I'm gonna still keep using these highlighters and this highlighter and this concealer in my videos and stuff. I might, you know when you first use something you don't really like it, and after a while it's like, oh my gosh, I love it. I might start to like it down the line. But that's actually the end of this video. I just wanted to review these products for you guys, put my little spin on it, tell you guys what I think about it, and on top of that, just let you guys know that, you know, there's some popping concealers out there for you. These concealers, I will recommend them one more time. You better go and get them. Fam, run to Superdrug right now. Run to Superdrug right now. They're £4 as well. They're £4, so they're cheap AF. They're £4. Let's see. They're £4. And they're really good, really thick, really smooth on the skin. Give you the perfect highlight and contour. And you know how I am about cream contouring. I'm a bit iffy because it's like only some products, like my Black Opal cream contour stick right now. You know what, foundation stick I mean, sorry. That, yeah, it's annoying to blend in and stuff. I like it, but it's a bit, you know, wishy-washy. These concealers are so easy to blend in. It's not a joke, like boom, 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 you're blended. Someone was telling me, yo, this thing might not even be popping the way everyone's screaming it on YouTube, because obviously everyone likes her, that she's a big like beauty influencer, so everyone, and she's got fans, let's be real, like, and Reezy's got fans, everyone's gonna push her thing anyways, like, oh my gosh, this highlight is amazing to die for. But it's like, it's just not giving me those vibes. It reminds me of my Laura Geller highlighter that I bought for £21. Even at that small thing, bro, it's even chilling there. It reminds me of the Laura Geller highlighter. It just, and on top of it, no, even Rodeo Drive, Over Cosmetics highlighter is better than this, sorry. But you know what, guys? It's like when I look at it, then I start to like it. I'm so confused. You know what? I'm gonna save this discussion for another video. We're gonna have to have a part 2 on this highlighter because I'm having mixed vibes. I'm confused as fuck. It's a lot right now. I can't. 1 minute I like it, 1 minute I'm just like, no. So I'm gonna leave you guys on that note. Hopefully, do you know what, whoever gets it, if you get the highlight or if you got it, comment down below. Let me know what you think about it too. Let me know if you think it's popping. Let me know if you think it's really shit. Let me know if you think it's just alright. Let me know if you think it's overrated. Just let me know your thoughts, because I don't know. So I'm gonna see you later. Yeah, I'm going now, for real. For real, for real. For real, for real. Oh. Look at the glow, bitch. Look at the glow, bitch. Look. Yeah, I know you see that glow. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. As always, get the Dami glow. Get the glow. You see that glow? It's popping. Get that glow. That's the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe as per usual. And I'm see you guys in my next one. What else? Fucking butters. Look at them. Looks so raggedy. Ugh. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye. People say bye, but see you later. No, I do my kiss thing. I'm gonna do my kiss thing. I don't like it today. It's not working for me today. What the fuck? These nails are actually so bun. Look.